So a piecewise defined function is a function that's built with multiple equations, and it's going to have some restriction on your x values for each equation. For example, here we have that x is greater than or equal to 3 for the linear function. We have x is less than 0 for the parabola, and we have x is between 0 inclusive and 3 not inclusive for the y equals 5 line. It's important to remember that if you have the or equal to on your inequality, it's equivalent to a closed circle on your graph. If you have no or equal to signifier on your inequality, it's simply an open circle because it's not going to be included in your domain of your graph. For your linear function, which will be the pink line, we know that we have a slope of 1 and we have a y-intercept of 5. So that means that when you graph your linear equation, you start at 5 and you go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, and you draw your line. It'll be some line that goes all the way this way. However, due to our restriction being greater than or equal to 3, we can start there. So here's your y-intercept, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, until we're sitting on the 3 of our x-axis. And it's inclusive, so remember to close your circle. And then again, plot a few points, and you can graph your line. And it's going to continue on. The parabola, which we can make green, shifts down 4 units, and it's everything from 0 to negative. So our parabola usually sits on the 0, 0 point, also known as the origin. However, again, we have that shift down 4 units. Because it's a restriction of x less than 0, we're going to be sitting on our x-axis at 0, negative 4. And we're going to draw everything including this side, but not that due to the restriction. And again, it will continue on. The final piece of our piecewise is the y equals 5 line. This restriction is between 0 inclusive and 3 not inclusive. The y equals 5 line is a horizontal line sitting at your 5 on your y-axis, and it goes this way. Due to our restriction, we have inclusive at an x of 0 and not inclusive at an x of 3. So therefore, our piecewise only includes this short segment.